Terence here, so representing Singapore House Unit. So why I dance? When I'm Sec 2, my friends introduced B-Boy to me. So then on I feel it's very cool, damn awesome, damn tight. And after that, when I started B-Boying, it's super tiring. Yeah, so I skipped into hip-hop, then into jazz, into popping, into locking, and finally into house. It's been 8 years since I started dancing. So why this journey took so long and why I'm still in here? Because dance is amazing thing. It's a super amazing thing. Okay, it changed my life, and from this dance it made me know how to appreciate music more. And yeah, I love the way how body move with the music. So that's it. Yeah.